Hi, so we have now pulled off into a Walmart. We're driving from Oklahoma City, we were there for one night, to Amarillo, where we will be for one night as well. But we've pulled over here at a Walmart to prepare some like lunch. That's one thing I love about traveling this way is you can just pull over, you can eat in your own home. It's great. I've also been stressing out because we have so much food and we're about to drop off the Airstream for service, and I don't want this stuff going bad. And the temperature out here is, what would you say, like low 60s? So we went to, on our last night in Bentonville, we went to Azul Tequila. It's like one of their local Mexican restaurants. And we got a dish called molcajete. Delicious. It tastes a lot like a mole sauce, but Ed doesn't like mole and he liked this. I don't know. Maybe there's a slight difference. But I had a bunch of leftovers, which I will prepare for us for breakfast. I'm basically gonna make breakfast burritos. That's basically what I'm doing. Or breakfast tacos. It's basically some steak, chicken, chorizo, shrimp. It's got a little bit of everything in this beautiful sauce. It's like a chili, definitely a chili-based sauce. Very good. There's so much food. Jeez, there's even a whole poblano pepper in here. I'll probably add a little bit of that. And this is cheese. It's like the kitchen sink. I think Ed called it the kitchen sink. And it was served in a beautiful, the mortar and pestle thing in the base. That's basically what it was served in. It was really nice. I think I'm gonna hold off on the chicken. I've never had chicken and eggs. That seems weird.
What?
Have you ever?
No, wrong.
Seems weird, doesn't it?
Wrong.
Weird. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this poblano. I didn't have any of it. Ed said it was quite spicy. You know what it is? They didn't take out there's the seeds are in there, and the seeds are always the spiciest part. And there's even a whole onion. I'm telling you, this dish was so cool. It's everything. Do you want breakfast tacos, or should we just have this? Maybe breakfast? I don't know. Do you want some eggs in there?
Yes.
All right. He's like, crazy lady, just add as much food as possible. So I'm not cooking the shrimp today. I think that would be weird with eggs, and the chicken I think would be weird with eggs too. So I'm gonna just put that aside. It's a beautiful thing about propane. You can, you know, propane stovetops. You can just turn them on without any need for electricity. I wish you could smell this. This is definitely becoming kitchen sink. Ed's got a little bit of corn left that he made, so why not? Ooh, that's heating up quick.
Garbage bags?
Check, I don't know. Alright, I'm throwing the eggies in now.
That does look good. Wait, you're putting cheese in the tortilla?
You don't want cheese?
I do. You're heating one up for me? Thank you.
Ed, I will never serve you a cold tortilla. Like, am I an animal? I know you eat cold tortillas, but I don't eat cold tortillas.
DiGiorno.
We were just in Oklahoma City. While we were there, we went to a pretty major art festival that they have. I think it's every year, called Paseo Art Festival. And I guess it's in the little like town or neighborhood or district of Paseo. Very cute place. Very cute little district. A lot of galleries and stuff. And while we were there, we had dinner at Frida Southwest restaurant. Highly, highly recommend that place. The food was so good. Kind of like a high-end Mexican. Very nice place. I have leftovers from there too. Leftovers. It's a blessing. The avocado will just be a nice cooling element. Wow, we just had a semi-truck driver turn right in front of us. Like, he got so close. I didn't even add that much poblano, and I can taste it. There you go, Ed.
Thank you. Looks delicious.
I will take all the credit for this beautiful food that was predominantly prepared by the restaurant, but that's fine.
Oh wow. Bon appetit.
You need a fork? How was it?
Very good.
I'll be the judge of that. You taste a poblano, right? That's a potent poblano.
I can handle spicy food, and when I had it at the restaurant, I was like, whoa.
So good. The chorizo is definitely dry.
Yeah. That was my observation then.
Want a bite?